tutorial, we are going to see how can we install Kali in our Android. So search for Andronix in Play Store and install it. Now second app is Termex. So first let it install. Now search for Termex and install it. And third app is VNC Viewer. And install it. Click install. Now move to Andronix. Open it. It's loading right now. Click I understand. It might not show in your phone. Now click on that Kali icon, that horse type icon, and then click I understand. Perfect. Now click on install and click XFCE. Perfect. Now open Termex and paste that copied command. Here it is. Click enter. And it will take some time depending upon your phone performance. It may take around 20 minutes to 40 minutes, and also it depends on your phone internet speed also. So let's wait. Now it might ask for keyboard type. So just type 1 and then 20 and press enter. And wait to install it. What is the best thing about this method is that you don't see any error because it is installing online. So every package is configured so that it installed with no error. Let's wait for more time. I know it's too lengthy, but we have to wait. And it is still processing. We have to wait. Now type the password you will need to while logging into VNC Viewer. Verify it. It must be 6-digit password. And boom. Let's wait for some more time. And here we are. Now minimize and open that VNC viewer app. It is hanging right now. Yeah, this is. Now click on VNC viewer app. Click next, next, next. Get started and click on that plus icon. Now type localhost and double dot, sorry, and 1. And now type any name you want. I am typing my computer here and click on the connect and click OK. It's just showing a warning. We don't bother. Just click OK. It is responding slow, I know.